Hey guys, welcome to Touring with Tasha. Let's head to Mayaro. We at Gould Street at Church Road, Rash Resort, known as Splash by Rash in Mayaro. First up, you park opposite the property and now we're going to enter into the compound. Splash by Rash have been around for so many years. I remember when I was a little girl, we came here and spent the weekend. It was newly built at that time. It's a beachfront property with a lot of amenities that you can use and enjoy on your small or mini vacations. There's even hammocks available. Now there's a pool and there's also a hot tub or jacuzzi. One thing to note though, I found that the water in the pool was very chlorinated. My kids' eyes were burning in an instant and they also vomited. So just keep that in mind and be very careful when using the pool. As I said before, this is a very budget-friendly hotel where it's a couple $100s where it can accommodate up to 8 to 10 people, which is really good compared to what is offered to other resorts and other places on beachfront properties. Hence the reason this place is frequented and it's almost always full. Now we're talking beach. See, you can just walk out and you're on the beach. That is the best part about this place that I love. There's a lot of seating areas and it's covered as well, so even if it's raining and it's very sunny, you can just sit here and observe your kids, whoever is on the beach, and just enjoy and have a wonderful time. Let's take a walk in and see what inside has to offer. So this is our apartment. This is when you enter. This is the seating area. You have the kitchen and that little dining room table. You also had a fridge, a stove with a gas tank, you had a microwave, you had a TV, and all the little amenities needed to make your stay an enjoyable and comfortable one. You also get pots and pans for cooking, but you collect that at the front desk when you're checking in, and you return it as well when you're finished. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. We had 3 bedrooms. This is one, and all bedrooms were AC. ACs worked very well. Here you have a double bedroom. And then there's another single bedroom. We had enough cupboard space to keep our clothing. There was one bathroom for all of us to share. This is what it looked like. It's an enclosure. We paid like $700 to $800, I can't really remember, per night for about 10 of us. So this was really a good value for money. Let's talk the beach. This is as I said before, why I love this place, being a beachfront property, affordable, and you're able to walk out very early in the morning. This was about 5:30 a.m. and really absorbing everything that Mother Nature has to offer when it comes to the sunrise, the waves, and the smell of that salty, fresh air. It was definitely amazing, and this is what makes this place amazing. So there you have it, Rash Resort or Splash by Rash in Mayaro. Check it out on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye.